Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. An Indiana University study shows good books are hard to come by for elementary school libraries in Indiana. Newslink Indiana's Randy Rankin visits two local schools with opposing thoughts on the study.
You think that schools around here are struggling?
Yes, we are. We're struggling.
As far as getting books?
As far as getting books, and reading makes a difference in their lives.
Dillville Elementary School librarian Diana Schlegel, who did not want to be on camera, says it has become more difficult over the years to find the money to purchase better books for her library. Her experience is backed up by a study from Indiana University that shows book purchases for each elementary student in Indiana has decreased an average of 13.7% since 2000.
It has become more difficult in order to purchase the quantity of books that we need in order to keep our library up and current.
But DeSoto Elementary School Principal Joe Schmaltz says he doesn't feel his school is struggling to keep his library up to date.
Our librarian does a pretty good job of keeping us updated. Also, like I said, our PTO provides some money for resources in our library too.
Schmaltz says that the library at DeSoto Elementary has roughly 6,000 books.
Money's tight everywhere. I would hate to think that libraries across elementary schools in general are suffering because of the fact that monies aren't available, but as far as from a standpoint of us personally, I think we're keeping up. That's one area I think we're able to keep up.
In Delaware County, Randy Rankin, Newslink, Indiana.
For more information on the study, go to ceep.indiana.edu. Police say alcohol was a factor in a head-on crash Friday on Muncie's south side. According to police, 35-year-old Tiffany Hendrickson, who was pregnant, was driving while intoxicated. Also in her car, a 7-year-old child. Police say Hendrickson allegedly drove her SUV left of center on 29th Street and hit another SUV driven by 43-year-old Kathy Shelfin. Both vehicles overturned. Shelfin and a male passenger were briefly trapped. Shelfin is now in a coma. Hendrickson and the child had minor injuries. Additional tests will determine her blood alcohol level. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. Tonight outside we're going to see some patchy, dense fog along with a low of 49 degrees. Throughout the next 48 hours, we're going to see some light cloud coverage outside. And we're going to continue to see that until the day on Thursday and the day on Friday when we have a chance for showers in our forecast. But for tomorrow, high 64. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news. And get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.